question number 5, we're factoring the trinomial. And you'll notice it looks a little bit different because we have this extra y and y squared. But we're not going to really treat it any differently than our other trinomials. So doing the AC method, my AC I want to take 2 times an implied 1 here, and that will get me 2. And then B is just going to be the 3 here. So I need to find two numbers that multiply together to give me 2, but add together to give me 3. And that'll be 2 and 1. So 2 and 1 multiply to be 2, but add to be 3. And what that tells me is how to break up my middle term. So that's going to break up into 2, and I'm going to put xy. And then this will be plus 1 xy. So on the previous questions I just put an x, but because I have an xy here, I want to put xy's. And then I bring down my outside terms, and then I want to factor by grouping. So out of the first two I can take out a 2x, leaving me with x plus y. And then I can take out a y, leaving me with an x plus y. So the parentheses match, those become one of my factors. The stuff on the outside, meaning the 2x and the y, combine to be my second factor. And that'll be my answer. Again, if you want to check it, you can. You don't have to. But if we check it, we're going to use FOIL. So x times 2x would be 2x squared, x times y would be xy, y times 2x would be plus 2xy, and y times y would be y squared. So if I combine these, I do get back to where I started.